Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fold your Toyota Corolla back seat. First, make sure the area is clear of any personal items or debris. Next, locate the release mechanisms, which are typically found on the top edge of the seat back or within the trunk. Also, slide the front seats as far forward as possible to create enough clearance for the rear seat backs to fold down completely. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Now let's release those seat backs. For models with releases in the trunk, pull the lever or strap firmly. If your Corolla has releases on the top of the seat back, simply pull the tab upwards. You should hear a distinct click, confirming the latch has disengaged. Once released, gently push the seat back forward into the cargo area. Repeat this for both sides if you have a split folding rear seat. With the seat backs released, it's time to fold them down. Carefully lower each seat back until it rests flat against the floor of the trunk. Make sure there are no items or seatbelt buckles preventing a complete and flat fold. A fully folded seat creates a much larger, continuous cargo space. This step is crucial for maximizing your Corolla's hauling capacity for larger items. When you're ready to use your back seats again, simply reverse the process. Lift each seat back firmly until it clicks securely into its upright, locked position. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's fully latched and safe for passengers. Finally, check that all seat belts are easily accessible and not trapped beneath the seat. You've successfully folded and restored your Toyota Corolla's rear seats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.